Good morning, my name is Dr Jeremy McAnulty from New South Wales Health, and I'm here to present an update of the COVID figures for New South Wales for Tuesday the 26th of October. There were 282 locally acquired cases of COVID reported in New South Wales in the 24 hours to 8 o'clock last night. In the same period, there were more than 71,000 tests reported in New South Wales. In terms of vaccination across New South Wales, we now have 93.1% of people aged 16 and over who've received their first dose of COVID vaccine, and 85% who are now fully vaccinated. In the 12 to 15-year-old age group, 78% have now had their first dose, and 51.5% are now fully vaccinated. More than 12 million vaccines have now been administered in New South Wales, which is an extraordinary effort. We thank everyone for coming forward to help protect ourselves and our communities from COVID by getting vaccinated. In terms of hospitalisations, there are currently 457 people admitted to hospital with COVID, including 109 people in intensive care, 57 of whom are ventilated. Of the 109 people in intensive care, 86 have not been vaccinated, 17 have received 1 dose of vaccine, and 6 have received 2 doses of vaccine. Sadly, we're reporting the death of a man in his 80s from Wollongong who died at Wollongong Hospital. He was not vaccinated, and we'd like to extend our deep sympathies and condolences to the family and loved ones of this man. There have now been 503 COVID-related deaths in New South Wales since the 16th of June 2021, and 559 in total since the start of the pandemic last year. In terms of suburbs with most cases in New South Wales yesterday, these were Lavington, West Kempsey, Minto, Orange, Sandy Beach, West Albury, Kurri Kurri, Kempsey, Kaimea and Goonellabah. So I'd like to take this opportunity to again remind everyone to remain vigilant as we open up in the community, so that we're looking out for symptoms, and if you get any symptoms at all that might be COVID, come forward for testing. A slight sore throat, runny nose, or even feeling under the weather, please get a test at your local clinic. There's plenty of clinics around. Please stay home until you get a negative test. Even if you're fully vaccinated, it's important to remain vigilant for those symptoms. Since the easing of the restrictions, we have seen some transmission in some indoor sites, such as bars and gyms. Wearing masks indoors and maintaining those COVID-safe behaviours, including good hygiene, distancing from other people, using those masks are really important to help stop the spread, in addition to vaccination. And pleasingly, we're seeing that increase in vaccination, particularly among the 12 to 15-year-old children who are at school, and that's really important. So thank you to the children and the parents for coming forward for getting vaccinated. Vaccinations are safe and effective, so please come forward to get vaccinated. So again, thanks to everyone for being vigilant, for watching out for those symptoms, for getting tested, and importantly, getting vaccinated to protect us all.